Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and today I am really delighted to bring you 77 Boland Street in Park Avenue. It's a wonderful family home. Come inside while we take a look around. You know, inside's magic, but when you come out here, this is like a wonderland. Imagine sitting up on the deck, watching the kids play in the backyard, or even having a barbecue downstairs. This is an entertainer's paradise and a family treat. A convenient location, a wonderful family home with solar, and a backyard the kids are going to die for. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.